How to do flashing lights effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I would like to create a flashing light effect. Start by right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag adjustment layer above your clip in timeline. Set the adjustment layer length and position to where you want the effect to happen. Now go to Effects panel and search for Strobe Light. Drag and drop Strobe Light effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and under Strobe Light, set the strobe duration to 0.2 and strobe period to 0.3. Now set Blend with Original to around 30%. My strobe effect is not as I wanted, so I set duration to 0.1 and period to 0.2. You can play around with the values until you get your desired results. I also set the color to a black color. Now the effect is complete. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.